Okay.
I handle accounts. I'm an MC. I'm the founder. I do marketing. All of. So
Sebakupikile nyalo.
Lindo had to rush home. She had an emergency, and I'm gonna take over. Which I think it only seems right. Yes, it only seems right solely because I'm gonna be calling up the champion, who was the winner of a cash prize of 500 rand, which is still in play today. So without any further ado, the champion, Sinethemba Ndlovu.
Hi guys.
Hello.
This poem is called To the God Who is with those that have a broken heart. Before we continue, today is actually my birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sinethemba. Happy birthday to you. Hooray!
I'm turning 24.
Uhlanga
Today is 19.
20.
19. Yeah. To the God who is with those that have a broken heart. Dear God, every night is a soul fight. Every thought is a war, and every mirror holds a reflection of a battle that I'm not winning anymore. Where are you? You said, come to me, all those who are weary and of a broken heart, and I will give you rest, but I couldn't find you. I guess my heart wasn't broken enough. My sadness wasn't sad enough. These cuts weren't deep enough. My prayers weren't loud enough because I'm restless. Lord, I am tired of drinking all this whiskey on days I could find no language to translate my darkness in. Lord, these hands are tired of dipping my pen inside the chest, inside my darkness, and smearing it on an empty canvas, trying to paint a map from here to your presence. Lord, I am tired of drinking all this whiskey on days I could find no language to translate my darkness in. Lord, I am tired of drinking all this whiskey, of drinking bottle after bottle, trying to dilute the darkness that's overtaken me. Lord, I am tired of finding solace in the spirits I keep gulping and in the heaps of smoke I keep inhaling. Lord, I am tired of manufacturing emotions to keep people from noticing what's going on. God, the darker the night, the brighter the stars. The deeper the grief, the closer is God. But in my grief, I found salvation in the bottle and the smoke instead of coming closer to you. You said, turn to me, all you ends of the earth, for I am God and there is no other. But I turn to poetry. I turn to my own heart to seek among phrases and fragments something unbroken. I've piled myself with a mass of bread abuse, been careless toward myself almost to the point of madness. But I am still here, leaning toward this pen and paper in the smoke-filled room. There are thoughts which are praise. There are moments when, whatever the posture of the body, the soul is on its knees. Dear God, I'm sorry I failed to seek you in the big things or the little things that I took for granted. I was just tired of waiting and searching for the sun. Why should I have kept hoping when it was never gonna come? It's been midnight. My whole life I've been living in an eclipse. Your face was the sun, and my sins were the moon, and they covered up your bright smile, not showing any trace of leaving anytime soon. Woo! You said I must trust in you with all my heart and lean not on my own understanding. In all my ways I must submit to you, and you will make my path straight. But I stopped believing in you and put my faith into the sky. You came to me in so many forms, and I repelled you because I had pictured you as a beaming ray of light, not my mother asking, "Are you all right?" I'm sorry I hid my broken heart from you and tried to self-medicate with this whiskey and pills and paragraphs I write to soothe my aching heart. I just hope that one day the pain will stay inside these poems. Lord, I now understand that sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry. And one day you're going to tell us why. Though life may beat me up and push me to the brink and turn every cup of coffee I drink into Irish, I know there is someone in heaven who will come to my defense. I will see him with my own eyes, and he will not be a stranger. Isaiah 43, verse 1. Do not fear, for I have redeemed you. I have called you by name, and you are mine.
Amen. Okay.